Okay, so here we've got a 2019 Ford Mustang. This car has less than 15 kilometres on. It is a brand new car and it was dragged down a garage on a whole pile of boxes. I buffed the scratches out of the panel and we're left with this nasty dent from the wheel arch through the door.
Hey guys, back here with a nice Mustang quarter panel dent. As you can see, it's quite a nasty dent. This is on a brand new car. Now, I'm in a workshop, so I apologise for the background noise. But as you can see, it's a really nasty crease. But we're going to get this out with Paintless Dent Repair, so I will show you when I'm finished. Hey guys, back with the Mustang quarter panel. Have a look at this. It's perfect. The manager told me that if I could not get this perfect, it had to go to the panel shop. There is nothing but perfection on this. So you have a look at the reflection on that. Look at that in my car and in my face there. You will see that it is absolutely perfect. This didn't have to go to panel shop. This was done in a matter of hours, not days. The funny thing was that I actually had 3 painters all sit there and tell me that this couldn't be repaired prior to me taking it on. So I'm hoping they're going to like and have a look at this repair and see that it is absolutely perfect. Guys, if you've got any damage on this, please just jump on that webpage down there. It's either that side or that side, can't remember. And if you've got anyone that you know that's got damage like this on their car, please, if you could share this post, that would be much appreciated. I just want to educate the customers out there that, you know, not everything has to go to a panel shop. We can get perfection. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. It's pretty late and I've been a bit beat up by this thing, so I'm off. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is just another natural light video of the car back outside the next morning, just to give you a view of what it looks like outside.